Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming carrier support for eSIM plus a physical SIM and that your iPhone 16 is updated. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or enable mobile data so activation can complete. Grab the carrier's eSIM QR code or activation details and keep them handy. Next, gently insert the Nano SIM into the tray and power on your phone. Make sure you unlock the device. This lets you start eSIM installation in settings without delays or extra troubleshooting later. Now add the eSIM from settings right arrow add cellular plan. Scan the carrier QR or type the activation info. After the plan appears, label each line. Use primary and secondary or custom names so you can pick them quickly. Then choose which line handles voice, iMessage, and FaceTime, set a default for calls and texts, and separately pick the cellular data line. Make sure to configure data roaming per plan, because only the chosen data line will use mobile data unless you switch. Finish by testing both lines. Place calls, send texts, and use mobile data on the selected line. Switch lines during a call to confirm behavior. Once working, assign a default line per contact and set per app data preferences so apps use the correct plan. Enable Wi-Fi calling if your carrier supports it for better coverage. If something fails, restart the iPhone, confirm the carrier completed eSIM activation, and if necessary, reset network settings. This often clears lingering configuration errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.